All right, here we go. Are we ready? Where are we going today? Where are we going? Magic Kingdom! Magic Kingdom! Come here! Come here! Look! Look up there! Up there! See? Huh? You want to go closer? Come on! Wave at him! Wave to him! Wave to him! How cool, Heidi! How fun is that? How pretty is Minnie's dress? Huh? So pretty. Oh my goodness. Where are we? We're at Disney World. Who is it?
Who is it?
Yeah.
The Disney characters.
Yeah, but I don't know where Daisy is.
We don't know where Daisy is. Maybe we'll see her later, huh?
Pluto's dancing. Oh, Mickey's dancing with him.
Look at it. Is it beautiful? Yeah. Daisy's over there.
What is it?
It's like tiny castle, whatever.
Oh, from Aladdin? Yeah.
And from Mulan and from
Beauty and the Beast? Yeah. Is this so exciting?
Yes, we're on our first.
We're on Heidi's first trip to Disney, aren't we?
Are you excited?
What do you see up there?
We don't know. We don't know if we'll see Poa.
What do you see ahead of us?
What is that up there?
Castle.
Yeah.
There's Jack.
You can see the carousel through the castle. Heidi, is this so exciting?
What is this?
Like a spider waiting for a kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil. First you think Cruella is the devil, oh devil. After time is born,
Cool, huh?
come to realize.
Split up, Hyde. Oh, so hard, isn't it?
Get down. She's taking a picture.
Good try, Heidi. Didn't move. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Oh, he's way up there. Yeah, good job.
Look at Mama.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Your turn.
Back up, Hart, please. You already got a turn.
You're not the next king of England, huh?
Look for pretty Mickey.
Okay, Naomi. Our first ride together at Disney World this year. What do you think so far?
Good.
Good. What have we ridden?
Just raise the magic little ring.
Ariel.
Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show
Peter
on the
Pan.
road.
Peter Pan.
Yep. And now what are we on?
Dumbo.
Dumbo the Flying Elephant.
What are we gonna ride? Dumbo.
Dumbo.
Wait, are those two Are there two of those?
Two cameras?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you wave?
Hey, Grandma. Wait, wait, wait!
You wave.
Ready? We're gonna go up high. You excited?
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go. You wanna go up?
Yeah.
Here we go. We're gonna go up. Whoa! Are we so high? Do you like to be up or you wanna go down? Do you wanna do it?
Like to be up.
You like to be up? Woohoo! Hands up! Woo!
Yeah, take us all the way up.
Oh, everyone's up. Except for that one, but nobody wants to.
Yeah.
Woo! We're in an elephant. We're riding Dumbo. Should we go down?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Wow! Did you love it?
Yeah.
Was that a fun one? All right.
Hi-ho! Hi-ho!
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's on court we go. Heidi, was that so much fun?
Yeah.
Was it?
Mommy, stop.
Are we all still in here?
Mommy, stop.
That was awesome.
Look here.
Yeah!
She made a handprint.
Heidi, look! Over here! Ew! Look, Snow White's in there!
Harper, you did it! It wasn't that bad. Naomi loved it. What do you think?
What do you think? You're not a fan, are you? Was that a cool ride? Was that fun? Heidi, tell me what you think about the mine train. What did you tell me you wanted to do?
I don't know.
You said you wanted to do it again, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Grandpa loved it too.
I'm gonna go again.
Say it again, Ed.
I'm gonna go again. That was awesome! Hey, I can't see them!
They're gonna get here. They're gonna get here. I was really hoping we'd see one of these on the way over there. Here, hold strong, buddy. Naomi, where are you? You're over there. There you are. K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Heidi, I want you to say, I'm 40 inches.
Go.
I'm 4 inches.
40 inches.
Y'all be grandma.
Hey, Grandma!
What are we doing? Big Thunder Mountain?
Big Thunder Mountain.
How many times?
Time number 2.
Are we good?
We good.
We good? We good?
We're good.
We're good.
Oh yeah. Turn the head around.
Dentro del tren. Cuide a sus pequeñitos.
Randy's getting gangster.
He's ready. He's ready.
All right. For your safety, remain seated.
What are we in line for?
Splash Mountain.
Woohoo! Were you just barely tall enough?
Yeah.
And you're gonna ride in the front row?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Everybody wave!
Are you ready, Naomi? Hey, hey. Mom thinks this is the drop.
She thinks it's...
Ooh.
We're in the briar patch. This is the top of the briar patch. Yeah, is that awesome?
Welcome to the briar patch, Mom.
Are we gonna go down that hill? Yeah. Yeah, is that awesome? Ready? Little drop, little baby drop. Uh-oh.
No.
It got all over me.
That felt good.
Yeah, it did. We'll be dry by the time we're off.
Look at that little house.
Look at the little clothes, honey.
Look at the little bridge.
So cute.
It is nice and peaceful.
Oh, you can see the castle from here.
Yeah, you can.
See the castle?
Look at that, Mom. Look at that little house. Ready? Oh no, broken bridge. Was that the big drop?
No.
Oh yeah, look at
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute, Grandpa. Let's talk this over.
Oh boy.
Here's the big hill. Heidi, look at the castle. Ready? Here we go.
Oh boy.
We got all wet. Ready? Here we go.
I didn't think I was gonna get that wet. I'll say that.
This is the wettest I've gotten out of
I
a
thought I
while.
was getting fly out. Here's where I was like, what
Go
is
like that. Brer rabbit. Zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Say, you liked it, huh, Harper? I think they had the water filling a little bit more today.
Hey, Heidi. Heidi, hold it down. Ready? Did you love it?
Yeah.
Was it awesome?
Yeah.
Was it a big slide?
Yeah.
Woo!
Heidi. Heidi. What did you think about Splash Mountain?
Great.
Great. Did you love it?
Ask Mama what
Did you love it, Naomi?
Awesome. I'm gonna go.
Ask Grandma.
Grandma. What'd you? what did you think about it? What'd you think about it, Grandpa?
Got her butt wet.
Howdy, Daisy's on there. Wave to her, wave to her.
Hi, Daisy.
Yay! Was that cool? Yeah. Give me 5.
That was fun because Daisy comes.
Yeah, that's right.